Hi, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. So I have these new kits called the BiomeFx. It is a stool analysis kit, which I'm not going to go over, what's included, but you basically have to poop, put it into a little vial, and then send it off. And I have these kits available for anybody who is interested. But I decided that I, as the practitioner, I need to get my own stool analysis done, and so I did. And just this week, I got my results back, and here are all my notes. It is a 20-page report, and it is really something that it's going to be kind of revolutionary for anybody who has arthritis, autoimmune issues, not just people that have GI issues. But for me, I eat healthy. I should have really a good result. And it's not that my results were bad, but it really kind of emphasized that, the gut does really show a lot in terms of your overall health. And because of some of the numbers that I have, which are low, the primary thing is my gut mucosal lining is compromised. And so because that gut lining is compromised and I don't have actually the protective bacteria for my mucosal layer, then it is actually making me more prone to food sensitivities, to autoimmune issues as I keep getting older, and arthritis. And don't you know, I have degenerative hip, and that is something that if I can actually repair the gut lining, repair the balance of the beneficial bacteria and the opportunistic ones, then I should be able to reduce the inflammation that's in my gut and continue healing my hip. So it's something where I think everybody should actually take a look at their stools, because you can really find out a lot about your health with the results that you get. It's not just this 20-page beautiful report, but it's really kind of giving you an idea of, okay, where are the imbalances and how are those imbalances affecting your life currently? For me, I don't have any GI issues. I don't have any kind of disturbances knowingly with my GI issues or with my gut. Do I have some food sensitivities? I do, but those are getting better just because I do more of the anti-inflammatory diet. But the anti-inflammatory diet isn't going to be enough because my gut balance is not ideal. So if I can improve the gut balance and I can improve that mucosal layer, which of course I'm going to, because that's what I do. I find an issue, I make sure that I'm going to correct it. But I wanted to show you this just because it does make a big difference. And it's actually showing why is it that I am having arthritis issues? Why are most people having arthritis or immune issues or food sensitivities or some kind of allergic reactions? It's because the gut is out of balance. So if you are interested in getting your own stool analysis testing done, please contact me, Joanna Hodorowska, nutritioninmotion.net, and I will connect you with getting a kit, and we will find out what the results are and see, are your gut imbalances actually contributing to some of the other health issues that you have, including pain, a degenerative hip or a degenerative shoulder or hip or knees. Are these things all related? Absolutely. Is it related to what it is that you're eating? Absolutely. Is there a way to correct it? Absolutely. And I'm here to help you do that. So if you have any questions, contact me, Joanna Hodorowska, nutritioninmotion.net.